Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have a new listing, guys. This is 1.3 hectares clean title located in Barangay San Francisco, Ubay, Bohol. So this is the property, the lower portion. This is the lower portions, which is the rice field and along the creek. So this is the lower portion. Then you can see the elevated, no, of the left side. That is still part of the property, but the mango trees here are not part. So this is the rice field, unirrigated, dili siya irrigated. And this front, no, kaning atubangan din is a creek already, and then this one is the elevated, which is part of the property. Kanang elevated, guys, mao gyud na paingon diri sa kuan lower portion, no. Nindot kay ni kani, no, gibutangan ako build your house here. Nindot kay diha, guys, mag develop ka sa imong house and lot. You build your house, no, kay overlooking yun na siya, no, overlooking. So hangin-hangin, nindot kay siya. Then regarding the road right of way, we have already negotiated, no, hamon lang na kuan. So mga 2.4 kilometers from highway. So kanang murag daghang palm tree is not part of the property. Kanang murag nasunog, not part, no. But you can see there is a house, no, sa unahan. No, na siya murag malipong kaning buhata. Sipit ko ni. So kini gid siya, guys. Kini nga bungtod is part of the property nga nindot kayo buhatan og balay. So naay mga purok og balay diha, no. Kita na to. Another road na sana siya. Going to the highway, mga 2.5 or 2.4 kilometers. Then kung puhon concrete na ang mga portions, murag na rough road, gamay na lang, no. But now kay kuan man drought, it's a drought, no. Init man kayo. So okay ra gid, guys, pero during the time of rainy season, no, so kuan gyud medyo lapok-lapok gyud, no. Pero kung naatay sa kanan, okay ra gyud, like pick up car, ana ba. Pero mo lagi na nanay mga upcoming concreting ana, paingon na gyud na, hapit na. So kini nga property na ay mga portions nga dili ma-concrete, pero kuan na ma-develop na gyud siya kay daghan na bago nakapalit ya, guys, na taga Cebu, na taga laing nasod, no, na Minyo og Pilipina, ana ba, na diha ato na ni na vlog sa una, natay giingon, natay Russian, natay Canadian, natay American, o kanang German. So ang nagka-build diha ang tulo, Russian, Canadian o German, mo nay naka-build og balay gid diha, guys. So pero wa din nga property nas opposite side, kanang murag nalimpyo, baka na murag gidauban, mao na siya. So this is the creek side, no, mo na kanang barugan na ng tulo ka tawo, mo na creek side. Okay, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.